Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Feby Perez. My age is 37 years old. My status is married with 4 children. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. I work as household helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve one couple, 3 children, aged 10, 14, 16 years old. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and also cooking. I work as household helper in Hong Kong. I serve one couple and newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the newborn baby, take a bath, and preparing the feeding meal, washing clothes, and cleaning and marketing. I work for Philippines Chinese employer for 2 years. I serve one couple and 2 children, one newborn baby and 3 years old baby. My duties is take care newborn baby in 24 hours. I can sing nursery rhyme like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My special skill, cooking Arabic food, cooking Filipino food, little cooking Chinese food. I'm honest, hardworking, work tersely, work under pressure. To our future employer, if you hire me, I'll do my duties and responsibilities to serve your family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.